A beginner's guide. Do you ever wonder where all your money goes? If you've ever felt like your paycheck disappears the moment you get it, you're not alone. Managing money can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're breaking down personal finance into simple, actionable steps so you can take control of your money, stress-free. Step 1. Understand your money flow. First, let's talk about cash flow, which simply means how much money comes in and how much goes out. Your goal: make sure you're spending less than you earn. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. You might be surprised at how much those small purchases add up. Step 2. The golden rule of budgeting. Here's a simple budget rule: the 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% of your income on needs like rent and groceries, 30% on wants like entertainment, and save at least 20%. If you're not saving anything yet, don't panic. Start small. Even saving 5% is a great start. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down, medical bills pop up, or you lose your job. That's why an emergency fund is a lifesaver. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses so you're prepared for anything. Step 4. Tackle debt smartly. Debt can be a huge burden, but there's a way out. The snowball method means paying off your smallest debts first for quick wins. The avalanche method focuses on high-interest debt first to save money in the long run. Choose the one that keeps you motivated. Step 5. Start investing early. Saving is great, but investing is what grows your money. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to multiply. You don't need thousands. Just start with a small amount in index funds, mutual funds, or ETFs, and let compound interest do the magic. Step 6. Spend smart, not hard. Ever heard of lifestyle inflation? As we earn more, we tend to spend more. Instead of upgrading everything, try upgrading your savings. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Smart spending means prioritizing what actually matters to you. Step 7. Automate everything. Make saving and investing effortless by automating your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings, investments, and bill payments. This way, you pay yourself first before spending on anything else. Final thought: small steps, big results. Managing money isn't about being rich, it's about being in control. Small, consistent steps can lead to big financial freedom. Start today, and your future self will thank you. Ready to take charge of your finances? Hit like and subscribe for more simple money tips.